This image looks quite familiar, right? Our first encounter with money began with the smart toy. Every time we received some amount of money, we would immediately put it in there, and undoubtedly we would feel happy about it. The biggest joy would be opening it and using the money saved over a period of time. I personally donated some amount of the money I had saved in one of these to an NGO. And I'm sure all of us would have done something creative to spend the amount, whether it was gifting it to our siblings, parents, or friends, or even helping the underprivileged. Saving money is one of the good habits that many of us have imbibed and made an integral part of our lives. We started doing this from a very young age unknowingly. As they rightly say, a penny saved is a penny earned. Talking about savings, we would save the amount we received initially, but as soon as we opened the piggy banks, we would think about how to spend the amount. And I wouldn't term that as a mistake because at that time, we hadn't learned about financial management. My inquisitive brain couldn't resist, so I asked a few of my friends this question. What was the first thing they would do if they received 1,000 rupees? And they listed out different ways of spending the amount, be it buying novels or shopping for other goodies. And this proves that there is a real need for us to start educating kids and create a financially literate world. With this, I come to the smart saving formula. Income minus savings equals expense. It's human tendency to first spend the amount and then let the leftover of your expense be the savings instead of doing it the other way around. I personally started getting myself financially educated by reading articles about the same in magazines and on websites. It seems finance comes naturally to me living in the financial capital of India. Jokes apart, I also like to impart the knowledge I have gained to my friends and cousins and would request all of you to do the same and share your knowledge and create a financially literate world and help in saving people from debts and other consequences. This was just one part about financial management. Finance as a whole is a much broader topic that kids need to learn. Providing children with a thorough understanding of financial management at a young age is vital to ensure proper money management skills throughout life. We all know that everybody has to deal with money on a daily basis irrespective of our professions. However, unfortunately, financial management has not yet been included formally as a part of the curriculum in the early years of schooling anywhere in the world. So, kids are left to pick up these skills through observation and own experience, which may not be the most efficient way to acquire these skills. We have seen people around us with academic excellence and people who are hugely successful in their chosen fields like sports, art, music. However, due to lack of understanding of financial management, they tend to rely on others to manage their finances, making themselves vulnerable to fraud and cheating. This can be easily avoided if every child is taught the basics of financial management. One major impact that proper knowledge of money management could have on one's finance is the ability to have control over your savings. And when you know you're financially stable, not necessarily that it always means to have more money, then you achieve peace of mind and you can lead a worry-free life. Now I'm sure you all must be thinking, why do kids need to learn these skills from an early age, as these can be inculcated when they start working and earning. And that's where people make a huge mistake. It's all about building a strong foundation and learning basic skills at an early age and start practicing the same even when they're not actually earning. It is also scientifically proven that our ability to grasp new concepts is better when we are younger, which will help build a strong base. This will help kids respect and value money, and it will go a long way in creating a successful and financially worry-free life for them. Teach them to save money and money will save them. Thank you.